Today we're making this sound. Open Harmor, make a supersaw. Yeah. Clone the Harmor. Make it less detuned. Make it 1 octave higher. Link the Harmors to the mixer. Add an OTT. And another one.
Another one.
Now link the Harmors to 1 single channel. Add some fruity fast LP and some balance. Make a cutoff automation. Decrease the max value of the cutoff automation. Make a volume automation. Copy and paste the cutoff automation. Now make a bass. Distort that shit. Link it to the mixer. Now add fast LP and balance. Link that shit to the original automation. And another one. EQ the chords. Add some reverb. You can also automate the pitch from like -12 semitones if you want. Now you got some good wobs. Please hit that sub.